Hey ladies and gentlemen, what's up? Devon Brown here. This is a real quick video for any of you who are doing email marketing, or any of you guys who have an email list. If you email your list on a regular basis, I want to give you a piece of advice that my mentor told me. With regard to emailing your list, the piece of advice is this. Write the email as if you are writing it not to your list, but write the email as if you are writing it to a person. A lot of times marketers will call this your avatar. Who's your ideal person, right? Avatar just means who's your ideal person, and what's all of the demographics and psychographics and all the info. What's the 411 about that person? If you were writing that one person a letter, what would you write? When you're writing a message to your list, write a message as if you're writing to one person, okay? One of the ways that I know that I wrote a good email to my list is if my list responds to the email. See, a lot of people know that they're on a list, and some don't, right? But when I write a good email, I will get replies back. So one out of every 10, 15 emails I write, I'll really hit it hard, or I'll just really hit the nail on the head, and I'll have a bunch of replies. I'm like, oh my gosh, why are all these people replying? And some of them will reply with personal things. Like I sent out a message the other day. I was like, hey, watch your inbox for Monday because I've got something special coming. And I went into this detail. I'm like, sometimes I mail you and you don't respond to me, and that's okay. What I send isn't for everybody, and blah, 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 blah. And I wrote that, but just please keep an eye out because what I have to share with you on Monday is really special, or whatever. And I wrote that, and I got so many responses, and they were like, can't wait, Devon, can't wait. And like one person was even like, dude, I'm tired of you emailing me. I'm like, okay, that's fine, unsubscribe, whatever, right? But I know that I'm doing it right when I get a lot of responses. Even if sometimes those responses are like mean or negative, and they're like, F you, homie, I'm like, all right, no big deal. But that is my little tip for you today. Write your emails as if you are writing them to a person, right? Not to, I'm sending an email to my entire list, and there's a bunch of different people on the list, and so I have to try to appease everybody. No. Write it to a person, all right? That's number one. And number two, you'll know you wrote a decent email if they respond back. And if you're new to email marketing, don't freak out if somebody emails you back. Like, they emailed me back. What should I do? Well, open the email and then read it and just determine whether or not you should respond. Sometimes you should, right? And then that's cool. And sometimes you should just ignore it. But Devon, what if I write my email and somebody responds with something negative? Oh, well, fuck them. That's gonna happen. That's real talk. It's gonna happen. Like, I can tell you the stuff that some people have said to me over the years. You can't let it get the best of you. All right? There's a button called delete. Okay? Hit that sometimes. Or you can do like I used to do and reply back and cuss them out back, but that's probably not very productive, so I don't suggest you go and do that. It's not conducive to you getting the end results you want. Anywho, hopefully this video was helpful. That's all I got. I'll talk to you guys later. Like, comment, share it if you have an opinion, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.